Hello friend, welcome to your channel How to Know. Today I'm going to tell about the new listing of a token which name is Voxel, which symbol is VOXEL, which is going to list over the gate.io, and it is just a few minutes ago announcement comes to the gate.io. So let's start this video. First of all, please, it is requested subscribe and share my channel. And if you are in enjoying the video, then please comment it. And if any correction required, then please also comment it. So let us start the video. First of all, you need to log in into on the gate.io. After login, you can go on the more page. After clicking here, just you have to click on the voting list. The list number is 256 and just I have to click on here, and here we go. The listing vote competition for the gate.io listing VOXEL has come to an end. Thanks to everyone who participated. We will continue to bring more quality projects, so please stay tuned. Okay, so let's see what is the procedure. Vote result get.il listing is came here in notice. In this Vox received over 10 million votes. Okay, we are going to list Vox. Actually, on the gate.io, one criteria has been set that any of token is going to list on the gate.io. Just gate.io runs a activity of voting. If any token crossing vote over 10 millions, then it will be eligible to list on the gate.io. So if you are want to list your token on gate.io, so you can contact on to gate.io. I will also share how you can contact gate.io for listing and how you can apply for the listing. Okay, just remember it. You have to get 10 million votes for listing on the gate.io. So here, Voxy has got 10 million votes from users, and it is eligible to list on the gate.io, and it is going to list on the gate.io. So here it will be list on 16th of January. Okay, participants had contributed a total 21 lakh 53,034 votes. We have distributed 2090 voxel to voters. Okay, already who have voted the voxes, they got already 2090 voxel to voters. We were going to open trading voxel. Now Vox is going to list, and it is to be start trading on the voxel token. So here you can see listing is about done on 16th of January. Okay, it is already listed on the gate.io. Just you have to click this link. This link is also given in the description section, and you will directly negotiate it to the deposit page. You have to deposit some amount and token, so you will be able to get reward. Here you can see airdrops is available who had participated in the voting, and top 10 voters are here which are eligible to get rewarded. So first of all, I would like to congratulate all the winners on the gate.io, and here is 10 top 10 list for the voters. So you can find your name, and once again congrats to all. So I will share this this link also in my description section, from where you can directly negotiate to this page. Okay, and you can find your all own UID. So next, let's see what is the get at oil listing board. Eligible participants who will be the all the GT holder on the gate.io. One GT is equal to one vote. Okay, second point is votes allocation. Let's see how it will be done. For every participant, Votes equal to arrange 14 days GT hold including asset in lending or borrowing market and the GT bought with USDT borrowed from the margin trading. However, GT borrowed is not allowed for. The user vote will be calculated based on the average 14 days holding with 2 hours after the listing vote. Okay. Thus, please do not make any changes in your GT holding before the continuing for the vote. Right. This is a very important thing which you must know. For example, Bob is a new GT holder and he buy and holds 14,000 GT one day before of the sale, and thereof he average 14 GT holding will be 1000 GT. It means 14,000 per 14 days. Okay, and he will have 1000 votes. So this is a very important thing. If you are not understanding, please comment it. I will reply on in the comment section. Okay, governance currency only GT. Every participants going through identity verification. It means if you are signing up on the gate.io, so you must have to complete your KYC procedure as well. Vote result: if a project get a minimum 10 million votes, it will win a billion of list on the gate.io. Result announcement will be announced after the voting completed, which is already completed, and trading is also started on the this token. Okay, so reward calculation also given here. Here you can find the calculations and you can find you. And one is most important, cheating. If any account is detected or reported as a cheating and is confirmed after our investigation, Gate.io will invalid the vote of the account. If any account is confirmed from the cheating 3 times, okay, the account will no longer be eligible for the listing and vote on the Gate.io. So if anyone like cheating to list their token, making multiple accounts on the Gate.io and by making multiple votes for that own token, if it is getting caught by the Gate.io, then token will be delisted automatically. So be faithful and be clear on this point. So here it is. If you want to know about more this token, then please comment in the comment section. I will explain you in the next video for this token. So thank you for watching.